Very light rain.
This thing has all the hallmarks on the satellite presentation of the highest end of a tropical cyclone that can be observed in this part of the world. And it's certainly
20 miles to the southwest of Tampa. This powerful hurricane is going to move eastward, east-southeast.
It's still going to be a strong storm, but, you know, we don't know that that's necessarily going to happen.
So we're currently doing our efforts to put everything inside. It is Monday evening, October 7th, and this is the current state of our backyard. We already got some flooding going on from the rain last week, actually, previously. So if you look all up in here, right there, and this big old lake right here, you can see that we get rain. You can see that even with a few days of rain, we get flooded. So yes, we're definitely concerned about the water coming in through this back porch and then through these doors right here. But we did go get some sandbags and hopefully we can keep some of the water out. It looks like we're at a slope or something, but this is our current situation right now, and this is on Monday.
Sand. Sandbagging.
Are heeding those warnings. Every single lane has really been bumper to bumper for days now. It's unlikely that traffic will let up here in the next 24 hours ahead of the storm. We've also heard that officials are opening the shoulder of some of these highways just to get more people on the road, get them out as fast as possible. The rush out of the storm lines too at grocery stores and gas stations, to the point where some stations have run out of gas and have had to turn evacuees away. Batteries, propane, bottled water, non-perishable food items becoming difficult to find now as people are stocking up, especially considering we are just over a week out from Helene, which already depleted supplies.
fact, there have been mandatory evacuations in parts of the Fort Myers area, anticipating that storm surge. There's such a huge fetch of wind.
Bringing the possibility of bringing twice as much storm surge here, from 12 to 15 feet. That is something that is historical, not only for our community, but really for our nation.